So I want to do a quick video on how to replace the battery inside your key fob on a Toyota Highlander. This probably works for most of the Toyota products. But on the side of the key fob there's a little thing that says push, and that releases your spare key. The nice thing with this is it all comes apart with the key. So there's a little slot here on the end. You just stick the end of the key in there, give it a slight twist. The case of the key fob opens up. Then you remove the circuit board, pull it straight up, and then on the back side is your CR2032 battery. It's a 3-volt lithium battery. And then you can still use the key. You just put it in here and just give it a slight twist and pop, and there goes the battery. So you put the new battery in, just like so. Put the key fob circuit board back into the bottom of the key fob. Take the top of the key fob, just line it up, and then snap it together. Put your spare key back into the key fob, and voila, there you go. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.